Namaskar. Almost everybody likes to eat bread, isn't it? Why is bread so popular? Simply because it is tasty and easily available. Today, let us see whether bread is healthy or not. The bread that you buy from stores is generally high in carbohydrates and low in nutrients. Most breads which are commercially available are made with refined and bleached flour. Such bleached flour is also treated with harmful chemicals such as calcium peroxide and nitrogen dioxide. We recommend you to always read the labels before you buy bread. If you find bleached flour in the label, then you should definitely avoid it. Also, these breads come with added sugar like HFCS, that is high fructose corn syrup, which will contribute to weight gain. All these additives would lead to health risks such as diabetes, obesity, heart disorders, and even cause some allergy. So, how could you enjoy your favorite food without having these risks? The best way to do this is to make your own bread at home. But if you can't make bread at home, then try to buy breads which are made of whole grains, such as whole wheat, whole rye, or whole oats as the main first ingredient. Read the labels carefully for additives. The shorter the ingredient list, better it is for you, as it will have lesser processed ingredients. Here is a very simple and easy healthy bread recipe. You will need 4 cups whole wheat bread flour, 2.5 teaspoon active dry yeast, half teaspoon salt, and 2 cups warm water. To begin, take a large bowl and mix together the flour, yeast, and salt. Then pour in the warm water and knead with your hands until a sticky dough forms. Cover the bowl with a kitchen towel and let it rest in warm place for 1 hour. After 1 hour, preheat your oven to 210 degrees Celsius. Line a baking tray with a parchment paper or apply a little ghee to the plate to make it non-stick. Rub some flour on your hand and transfer the dough to the baking dish. Let the dough rest for another 30 minutes. Then put it in the preheated oven and bake for 35 to 40 minutes. If you want, you may add a little chopped parsley, basil, or onion powder to the dough while kneading it. This bread takes only 2 hours to bake and it can be enjoyed as a toast also. It can be enjoyed with different soups or sandwiches. Try making this bread at home as a recreational activity when you have some time, and learn to enjoy some simple and wholesome food. Becoming conscious of what and how to eat is a key to good health. Pushti Rastu. May you be nourished. Namaskar.